In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Pinterest using your Google account or by manually entering your details. Pinterest is a great platform for discovering ideas and inspiration, whether it's for your next big project, fashion trends, or delicious recipes. Let's go through the steps to create an account so you can start pinning and exploring. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Pinterest's website. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage filled with a plethora of images and inspirations. Right at the top right corner, there's a button that says Sign Up. Click on that and you'll be directed to the registration page where you have a couple of options on how to sign up. Now, one of the quickest ways to get started is to sign up with your Google account. This is streamlined and secure, saving you time and the hassle of remembering yet another password. Clicking the Continue with Google button will prompt you to log into your Google account if you aren't already. Once that's done, Pinterest will take the necessary information from your Google account and you'll be all set with a brand new Pinterest profile. Alternatively, if you prefer to sign up using your email, there's an option for that as well. You'll notice fields where you can manually input your email address, create a password, and provide your birthday. It's important to use a secure password that you can remember and ensure your email is correct so you can receive any necessary communication from Pinterest. Enter your details, ensure everything looks good, and then hit Continue. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations, you're done. You are now the proud owner of a Pinterest account. As simple as that, you've just opened yourself up to a world filled with endless creative ideas. From here, you can start personalizing your experience by selecting categories that interest you, such as travel, cooking, or DIY projects. Pinterest will use these preferences to populate your feed with tailored content that suits your tastes. As you explore, feel free to start creating your own boards, pinning images that catch your eye, and even discovering friends who are also on Pinterest. This can make your experience even more enriching as you share inspirations and collaborate on ideas. And there you have it. Signing up for Pinterest is a straightforward process that opens up endless opportunities to explore and catalog ideas that inspire you. So go ahead and dive into your new Pinterest adventure. Happy pinning!